All right, y'all. So the doctor said that you are stage 2, 3, 4, or even on dialysis, and you got to cut back on your potassium. So I'm going to show you what you got to do if you're eating sweet potato or any type of potatoes and you want to lower the potassium intake. So the first thing that you're going to do, you're going to peel your potato, whatever type of potato you have. I prefer a sweet potato or a purple potato. Those are the healthiest kind, so I like to stick with that. And then we're going to get a pot. We're going to fill it up with water, making sure that it covers the whole sweet potato. Then we're going to get our sweet potato, and we can do it in two ways. We can cut it in half, or we can cut it in small squares. If you want to get the most potassium out, cut it in small squares. All right, so we're going to let that sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. And remember, like I said, if you want to get the most potassium out of your sweet potato, cut it in small squares. All right, so after we let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, we're going to take it to the sink and we're going to drain out the hot water, and then we're going to put it right back in there. So I like to do it twice. I like to just get the maximum out as I can. So I'm basically just repeating the process over again. And this is very important for people that really have to watch out for the potassium limits. You really have to do this process anytime you make any type of sweet potatoes or potatoes. So I let it sit there again for 10 to 15 minutes, and then I take it out and I drain the water out. I've actually started my air fryer also to 400 degrees. So after I do that, I take my sweet potato and I put it in the air fryer for about 20 minutes, 400 degrees. Make sure you check it halfway through. And you want to put your fork through. If you can't put your fork through, you want to put it back in there. All right, y'all. So there you have it. This for all my people that need to reduce the potassium intake. And also make sure you check with your doctor so you know your restrictions and stay well under it. Like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that alert button so you can stay alerted on all my latest content. Have a great day.